Randwick Sustainability Hub is here as a demonstration of sustainable living. Randwick City Council has an environment strategy, but we know that we can't do it on our own. So we want to engage with the other community groups, working on issues that are really important to them. And so today's workshop is about capacity building, giving them skills to be able to do their job better. By helping them, they're helping the whole community.
So we'll pay for it, but it's open to the public. It's a passive.
Today I'm at the Randwick Sustainability Hub and we're doing a workshop on photography with our various mobile devices and learning how to use them and to think about what we're photographing so that photographs can enhance our online presence and provide more exposure for what we're up to in our community group.
Randwick Sustainability Hub is a place where they do courses and free courses as well, and which is amazing for communities where we don't have much money. And today we're learning about photography and how we can use that to market our community groups or just to take beautiful photographs. And today I've learned so much. It's just like, oh my God, this is amazing, and I just can't wait to use it.
This course is put on by the Randwick Sustainability Hub, and it's a great opportunity for anybody who's interested in photography and promoting their clubs and their community organisations.
Council really understands they've got to work with community. There's a lot of passion and energy and ideas, and council can't do this themselves. They can't make a sustainable community. They need to work with us, and they're really putting a lot of effort into upskilling us, in helping people meet and network.
I think it's really great. It's really well organised. It's really well planned out. They have several experts from different aspects of the topic on hand. It's well structured.
So that was interesting. Once you know what your risks are.
Teaching people and helping them to actually develop their creative mindset for me is really important. I found that I do that quite easily, and teaming up with someone like Colin, who's very technically minded, the combination is perfect, and we've been doing this for a number of years, so it's quite easy for us to adapt what we already know how to do for someone like Julian, who has He's got the intention of helping these community groups actually grow.
Part of the workshop idea is that you're engaging with the community. You're there, even though there's a topic, there are other people around as well. And I've connected to people who are attending just like me from their own perspective. So yes, we learn a lot from it. We get to understand who we might approach. And also the idea that council is involved in providing this opportunity for us. That's kind of poses some really interesting questions like, what else do they do, or what else might they do?
So it's been a couple of months since we were here last, and in that time the photographers have been working on their pictures and talking to Shane and I about exactly how it's going to be put together, and so I'm pretty excited to see what's going to happen here tonight.
So it's been a few months since the workshop. The workshop was a really wonderful experience, having other people who are interested and curious and passionate about photography coming together through our various connections with different community groups. And amongst the things that have happened for me is I've had a real burst of creativity.
So there's been a real sense of a learning journey for quite a few of them, where they've said, wow, you know, like where we were before and what we see now and how we take photographs and how we're going to use them is completely different to before they started the workshop.
I think it was a great initiative of the council and the Sustainability Hub, because it also brought people from a lot of groups into the area. Myself, for example, I wasn't aware that the hub was here. If the council were to consider running this again in next year, later this year and in future years, I would highly recommend it for local community members to participate.
If I saw this advertised again, I would tell everybody to come to it if they could, because it's fabulous. I mean, my little phone, I can do so much with it.